Go on, Smokey. Here he comes. Go get him. Go get Daddy. Call him.
Smokey.
Don't come to me. uh. Are you a big bad dog? Are you a big bad dog? Yeah, you're a big bad dog, I know. Is Daddy scaring you? Is him scaring you? He's scaring you, huh? Go get him. Go get him. Come on. He's behind me. Get him. Get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. You can do it. Get him. Get him. No, you don't need me.
He knows to protect him.
Yes, those are your holes because you're ornery. And as soon as they're covered up, he's going to dig it. Look. No animals were hurt in the filming of this video. Here he goes to dig it up. Look. Oh, Smokey, so cute, baby. I love you, love mommy. Yeah. Look there, he's going to dig more. Every hole we cover, he's going to dig. He's just waiting. What? Oh. Lexi's like, I'm not digging. Oh. Come on now. If you walk away, you know he's going to dig more. He's just waiting for you.
Put you in these holes.
We're gonna dig a hole for you. Here he comes. Wait, don't go over near him. Get the hole. Get the hole. Oh, maybe he's done now. That was too cute.